Facts about ants. Social insects. Ants are very social bugs. They live in big groups called colonies, with thousands or even millions of ants working together to survive. Lots of kinds. There are more than 12,000 different types of ants all around the world. They can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Different jobs. Inside an ant colony, each ant has a specific job. Some work for food and nest maintenance, some protect the colony, and others are queens responsible for laying eggs. Talking with chemicals. Ants communicate by releasing chemicals called pheromones. These chemicals help them tell other ants things like where to find food or how to defend against threats. Super strong. Ants are incredibly strong for their size. They can carry things much heavier than themselves because of their strong muscles and tough outer shells. Short lives. Ants don't live very long. Worker ants might live a few months to a few years, but queen ants can live for several decades. Long-lasting colonies. Ant colonies can survive for many years, and some tropical species can even last for centuries. Different diets. Ants eat different things depending on their type. Some eat plants, while others eat a mix of things like insects, nectar, and human food. Building homes. Ants make their homes in different places like underground tunnels, dead wood, or leaf piles. Some ants create elaborate underground tunnels. Ecosystem helpers. Ants are important for the environment. They help spread seeds, improve soil, and control pests by eating other insects. However, some types of ants can cause problems by invading new areas. Impacting people. Ants can be both good and bad for people. They can damage crops and invade homes, but they are also used in traditional medicines and can help control other pests. In stories and culture, ants have been part of stories and culture for a long time. A famous story is The Ant and the Grasshopper by Aesop. Ancient insects. Ants are very old insects. Fossils show that they evolved from wasp-like ancestors about 100 million years ago, during the time of dinosaurs. Copying ants. Some insects and spiders try to look like ants because it helps them avoid being attacked by enemies. This trick is a form of protection. Teamwork. Ant colonies have a lot of teamwork. They divide up tasks, work together, and sometimes even fight other ant colonies for territory and food. Ants are amazing insects with unique behaviors that help them thrive in many different places around the world.